This is the Taurus G2c 9mm, 12 round magazine. Got some critical defense inside of it right now. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to take it apart and put it back together. You know, look, people like to see the beam. Clear it. Okay. First, you wanna pull back like that. Pull these down. It's two. Okay. Pull both of them down at the same time. All right, here you go. Boom. Then pull the trigger. Slide straight off. Simple. Okay. Boom. Take that off. Sit that to the side. Barrel comes out. In case you want to change your barrel, you know, a lacquer line, they got some real good barrels. You can get a threaded barrel, all types. You can get new springs. I'm waiting on the springs to come. That's all I really want. But yeah, that's that. Screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver? Pause it real quick. Back to it. All right. Wait a minute. I was before. My fault. Readjust this. Okay. See this firing pin? Can y'all see? Let me get closer for you. Push that down. Slide this off. Hold it. It's a spring in there. Yeah, I had to pause it. I'm letting y'all know that now. So basically, I held this down with the screwdriver. Pushed this out with my finger. This is the firing pin. In case you want to change firing pins, well, not firing pins, but you can change this plastic piece to a metal piece. You can also change out the back plate. Probably get a custom one. But I'm not here for all that. You can also take this out. This, I ain't got the tools for all that. I changed the sights. The old ones was kind of beat up. But yeah. And I kind of rushed through it. I know that's what people like to see. Ain't nobody trying to wait too long. They're trying to get down to business. I hate this part right here. Get my pinky. I dropped it. Where did it go? Okay, I found it. Oh yeah, that's also another thing. I want to be careful with these. Use my pinky. Line it up right first. Okay, line it up. Now use my pinky. Push it in. Boom, just like that. Pull it back. See something? See the firing pin? Yeah, perfect. Okay, putting it back together, simple. This shouldn't be hard though. Real easy, real simple. Now, boom. It ain't like a Glock. You come all the way up at the top. And that, my friend, is how you disassemble Did I say that right? You know, I just got froze right there. Did I say that right? That is how you break down a Taurus G2c. I feel like any G2 model is nearly the same way. But that's all for the video. Give it a like and a thumbs up. And stay tuned.